how much should you actually spend on products for sun-damaged skin? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, CeraVe Tinted Sunscreen for Face caught my eye right away. It's a mineral SPF 30 moisturizer that blends into your skin tone, making it a perfect choice for a natural look. If you want to hydrate your skin while protecting it from sun damage, this is worth a serious look. The sheer tinted formula helps combat the dreaded white cast that often comes with mineral sunscreens. This means you can feel confident wearing it alone or as a tinted primer under makeup. It's got hyaluronic acid for hydration and niacinamide to calm your skin, which is especially crucial after sun exposure. Plus, with over 30,000 units sold in the past month, you know it's popular for a reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Protecting against sun-induced aging like wrinkles and dark spots is vital, and this product can help you do just that. Now, some people complained about the tint not being suitable for all skin tones. Here's the thing, if you're in the medium range, this should work well, and even if it doesn't match perfectly, the hydration benefits are still valuable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a daily moisturizer that also provides sun protection. Skip this one if you want something completely sheer or are very light or dark toned. It's a great value for the quality you're getting here. Now, if that tint issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, CeraVe Invisible Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. This one's also from CeraVe, and it's designed for those who want high protection without worrying about any white residue. If you want strong sun protection that feels weightless, this one is worth a serious look. This mineral sunscreen is made with zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, providing broad-spectrum UVA and UVB protection. The invisible finish means it's suitable for all skin tones, so you won't have to deal with that awkward white cast. Plus, it's hydrating, thanks to the ceramides and vitamin E. With 24-hour hydration, it's perfect to wear under makeup without feeling greasy. The mineral technology makes it super lightweight, ensuring comfort throughout the day. Here's why this matters for you. Protecting your skin from sun damage is essential, and SPF 50 is a solid level to help prevent future skin issues. Now, some reviewers noted it can be a bit difficult to apply evenly, but honestly, if you take your time and make sure to apply generously, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have sensitive skin or just want a lightweight sunscreen for everyday wear. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a tint. For the level of protection and hydration it offers, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for firming up your skin. Product number 3, Cetaphil Skin Activator Firming Lotion. Now we have the Cetaphil Skin Activator Firming Body Lotion, which is perfect if you're dealing with dry, sagging skin. This one blends AHA and cica for a powerful anti-aging effect. If you want to visibly firm your skin while keeping it hydrated, this is worth a serious look. This lotion is clinically proven to improve skin crepiness in just 1 week. It delivers mandelic acid deep into your skin layers, which helps increase cell turnover, leading to firmer skin. It's lightweight and provides hydration for up to 48 hours, which is fantastic for anyone with aging skin. The fact that dermatologists developed this and it's hypoallergenic makes it great for sensitive skin. Here's why this matters. Product number 4, Eucerin Daily Hydration Cream. The Eucerin Daily Hydration Cream is up next, and it's a 2-in-1 powerhouse that hydrates while providing SPF 30 protection. If you need an all-in-one solution to combat dryness and protect against sun damage, this is worth a serious look. This cream features glycerin and sunflower oil, ensuring long-lasting hydration and a non-greasy feel. The SPF 30 helps defend against sunburn and long-term skin damage, which is crucial if you've been overexposed. Plus, it's fragrance-free and safe for sensitive skin. With over 9,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice. Here's why this matters for you. Moisturizing is key when dealing with sun damage, and the added sun protection makes this an excellent daily option. Now, some customers pointed out that they wished it was a bit thicker for extra moisture, but honestly, the lightweight formula is what makes it suitable for daily use without feeling heavy.
This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective moisturizer with added sun protection. Skip this one if you prefer richer creams. For the price and results, it's a fantastic buy. Now, if you want something specifically for after sun exposure, this last product might be perfect for you.
Product number 5, Banana Boat After Sun Lotion. Finally, we have the Banana Boat Moisturizing After Sun Lotion. And this is a lifesaver for anyone who's been in the sun all day. Made with aloe and vitamin E, if you're looking for relief after sun exposure, this is worth a serious look. This lotion hydrates your skin for up to 12 hours, which is super helpful for soothing sunburn. The aloe helps cool the skin while replenishing lost moisture, and it's also designed to help preserve your tan. It's free from oxybenzone and octinoxate, making it a safer choice for your skin. Here's why this matters for you. If you've spent too much time in the sun and your skin feels hot and dry, this will help restore comfort and hydration. Now, some people mention that it feels a little sticky after application, but I'll be real with you, that's often a sign of a good moisturizing product, and it will absorb eventually. This is perfect for you if you need immediate relief after sun exposure. Skip this one if you're looking for a daily moisturizer. For what it does, it's an excellent value.
So to sum it all up, we've covered CeraVe's tinted sunscreen and invisible mineral sunscreen for strong sun protection, Cetaphil's firming lotion for hydration and anti-aging, Eucerin's daily hydration cream for a lightweight moisturizing option, and Banana Boat's after sun lotion for soothing relief. Each has its unique strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.